Today I was trying out and modeling what a possible hybrid teaching situation could look like.
So what we saw today was a really great example of a lesson that you could do in a lower elementary classroom. We looked at a first grade classroom, but we actually had an incoming kindergartner and an incoming second grader as mock students in the class, which I think made it feel really authentic. It showed some of the possibilities that you could do with kids who aren't maybe at a level where they could read a text box at this point. They're not going to be typing things into the chat feature, but instead they were able to show things with their hands. They were able to speak directly to the audience and come up and show their writing pieces.
For K2 students, I think it needs to be shorter, more simple, straightforward. It's harder for them to do more things on the technology end, so it has to be more controlled by me. With third graders, I could send them into breakout rooms. They knew how to unmute themselves, things like that, which I think will be harder for the younger learners, but that they could learn eventually.
One of the challenges is when you have kindergartners, you have first graders, you're talking like 5-year-olds or 6-year-olds who haven't really been in school in a long time. And so one of the biggest challenges is building up that stamina. That's one of the things that we're going to build into our teaching. So we're not expecting like the first week of school that kids are going to be able to sit and write for 30 minutes. We never expect that in seat either. And so it's just a matter of us teaching kids how to be active participants in a virtual setting, in a hybrid setting.
My hope for the future is that we could really get our feet wet virtually so that we have a really good understanding and the kids know the norms, how to use Zoom, how to be an active participant on Zoom, and then maybe possibly later bring it into a hybrid model when they already have their experience virtually. That would be my hope.